Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for our spelling and reading lesson? Let's start. Let's spell the word apple. Apple. A P P L E. Apple. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word apple in a sentence. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Again, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word teacher. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word teacher in a sentence. My teacher is kind and smart. Again, my teacher is kind and smart. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word church. Church. C-H-U-R-C-H. Church. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word church in a sentence. We go to church every Sunday. Again, we go to church every Sunday. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word flower. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word flower in a sentence. There are flowers in the garden. Again, there are flowers in the garden. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word mango. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word mango in a sentence. Mango is my favorite fruit. Again, mango is my favorite fruit. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word mother. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word mother in a sentence. My mother is loving and caring. Again, my mother is loving and caring. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word father. Father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word father in a sentence. My father is my best friend. Again, my father is my best friend. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word house. House. H-O-U-S-E. E. House. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word house in a sentence. Our house is neat and clean. Again, our house is neat and clean. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for watching, children. See you on our next lesson.